Hi guys, this is part 3 of the Rustler build. Today we're going to be putting on the pink wheelie bar. So let's get started. All you're going to need for this is a Phillips screwdriver and part number 3678P. First we're going to take out these two screws right here. These ones right here. And this one down there. Now we'll slide the wheelie bar onto the edge right there. Slide it on there. And put the bottom, the long screw that comes with this set. I don't know if you guys can see that. Put that one in the bottom. The bottom one right there. And the smaller one that comes with the kit, put that one on the top. Right down there. Put those in. And last but not least, the tiny one that comes with the kit on the other side on top. Tighten that nice and snugly. And once we've got all the screws in, we're just gonna unclip the back right there, like that. I don't know if you guys can see. Just unclip it and clip it into the second one. Into the second slot. And there we go. We got the nice new pink wheelie bar on. It's not a lot of work. It's pretty simple to do. Anyone can do it. And yeah, that's it for today. There's going to be more parts to this video. So if you guys want to see more, subscribe, hit the like button, and follow for more.